Hi, and welcome to the Middle Room Workshop. Today we are going to unbox this vlogging camera from Sony, the Sony ZV-1. Without further ado, let's get into it. This is a camera designed from Sony with the vlogger in mind, and it is a camera that has all the functionality that a beginner video maker or a YouTuber might want. Let's have first an overview of the box just to see how it looks like, and then we will open it up. Okay, so that's the front of the box. Then all around, that's pretty much the style, but this is actually not the box, this is a wrapper, so we can get this out of the way. And this is the box itself. Digital camera ZV-1, some of the part of the camera, serial numbers and codes. This is a list of the several accessories that you can buy along with this camera, and these are let's say the most salient specification of this model. So all right, let's now remove the seal and open it up. All right, we are presented with a warranty card on top. We can put this on side. Then some documentation as usual. Yeah, let's also put this on side. And then that's the dead cat. A micro USB cable. Then we get the camera itself. Let's put this one moment aside. And the battery here on side. This is, by the way, common battery for many of the Sony's camera or compact cameras. And that's pretty much all. There's nothing else in the box, so we can put the box out of the way. We can now open up the camera. And there you go. So that's the overall look of it. Let me get it closer to the camera over here. Side, the back with the display, the top with all the controls. Here we got a hot shoe attachment for the dead cat, I believe, and also for any other accessory that you might want to install in it. And then on the bottom we find the socket and then the compartment for battery as well as SD card. All right, let's see now. That's when we open the screen. The screen can swivel. Okay, yeah, so it can swivel basically up and down. And this is it. That's basically all you'll find inside of the box. Let me now give you a closer look to it. Okay everyone, and this is pretty much all. I will now start using this camera right away. Actually, if you're following my channel, my upcoming videos will be shot primarily through this camera. And up next I will also be able to make a review of it. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumb up button below and to subscribe if you want to see more video like this one. Ciao for now.